Hello everybody. So here I got the C7 Corvette. So this car's my daily driver, and I've also taken it into a couple road trips, a couple hours away. The longest one had been when I went to Kentucky. So round trip, that was about 1,000 miles. So I did all that in one day. That was when I got the Corvette tour, and I would like to go again as soon as the plant tours get opened up. So that's definitely a trip that I would like to do as soon as that becomes available. But I want to talk about my recent road trip that was 2,000 miles, so 1,000 miles each way. And initially I kind of expected, I was thinking that I would be sore with back pain, neck pain, just because the sitting position of a Corvette being low, just it's not as comfortable as, say, like my pickup truck. But I was actually surprised. I wasn't bothered at all. Mainly I was just tired from focus, just from driving too long. And that's considering that this car's the LT1. So with the LT1 I don't have the additional lumbar and different adjustments in the seat. So I'm sure the ones that have the LT2s probably feel more comfortable for long distance drives. But nah, this car was actually real good the whole way. And also I got a decent amount of leg room back here, so sometimes I was able to set the cruise control and just kind of stretch my legs back a little bit. And so I drove it the whole way there in economy mode, and we can see right here, because I had cleared all the settings, I was able to get up to 34 miles to the gallon on some stretches. But most of my trip I averaged 32 miles to the gallon because I drove it on economy mode. On the way back I drove it on normal mode. The reason I drove it in economy mode the first time is because we had a fuel shortage on the southeast at the time, so that's why I was just conserving fuel. But normally I don't ever drive it on economy mode. And it made a 4 miles per gallon difference, because on my way back I averaged 28. So I personally just like to have the additional performance. This car has a good cruise control system, so I was able to just increase my speed, decrease my speed there. And even after I shift, if it slows down while I'm making a shift, the throttle will pick back up and accelerate to where I need to be. The reason I mention this is because I used to have a Ford Ranger, and once I activated the cruise control, it would, and I needed to make a shift, the cruise control setting would just disable. It wasn't smart enough to let off the throttle and engage it again. So hopefully the new Corvette will have adaptive cruise control, because I do got a deposit on the C06. So I am hoping I do get the 22 production. I know they've been having a lot of delays. So like and subscribe and stay tuned for more content.